1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hey, welcome everybody. This is Noah Coinflip here for Hrvst Wireless Sounds, recorded here at Mead St studio, where we have the best DJs and producers and artists in Seattle, hands down. I'm just gonna get into some deep house, jazzy kind of energy, just kind of some stuff in my collection that I'm feeling, But yeah, thanks for tuning in.
Sanchez, Audre Lorde, Langston Hughes, Gil Scott-Heron, Maya Angelou, Linton Kwesi Johnson, Last Poets, old heads. If you ask me, they the ones that started all this. Of course, we can take this back for real. Back to Africa, to tribes all over the world. Back to griots. Back to the beginning, to the birth of the word. The birth of sound. But we gonna take this back to New York City. I was writing my poems down in a little zine I was putting out, and a friend of mine was reading poetry at a little place called ABC No Rio in the East Village. He was also trying to drag me down to this other spot called the New Eurekan Poets Cafe on 3rd Street between Avenue B and C. Yeah, Lower East Side. I never made it. Not until 91 anyway. See, not long after that, a lot of stuff started jumping off on the New York poetry scene. There was the Friday night slams down at the New Eurekan, and the rap meets poetry shows over at the fairs on Tuesdays. You had the Boom Poetic, who was giving shows with Giant Step at the Supper Club, and every little hole in the wall downtown had a poetry night. There was open mics, showcases, slams, everything, anything. It was all out there. And now there's places like Biblios and the Brooklyn Moon Cafe down in Fort Greene. You got Jessica Caramore and Jasiri winning Friday nights at the Apollo. Shit, we on TV. Yeah, poetry's blowing up, baby. It's blowing up. See, back at the end of 92, 93, there was this big media blitz on the scene. You had MTV starting to crash the rap meets poetry shows, and all these hip-hop heads started falling up in the house. People like Brand Nubian, Freestyle Fellowship, and shoot, I even met a producer down there, this dude by the name of Backspin, who was producing for Leaders of the New School at the time. Yeah, we had Russell Simmons at a couple of shows. It was definitely live, oh yeah. But you know how it is. Everybody was just passing through. You know, window shopping trends and shit. Talking real loud, but saying nothing. You see, but what I liked about those shows was that you had all kinds of word wizards on stage at the same time. Cause for me, that's what it was all about anyway, the word wizardry. You'd have the old school poetry divas like Pam Sneed, Dale Orlando Smith, and Dana Bryant. And then you get the fellas from that era like Reggie Gaines and Willie Perdomo. Next thing you know, they be performing the same night as some of those old experimental beat grunge type poets. People like Edwin Torres, Matthew Courtney, Maggie Estep, and Todd Colby. And then came the Afrocentric division, the Brooklyn crew. The crew that's now part of the whole Brooklyn Moon scene is basically just about any young black poet influenced by the Harlem Renaissance and hip hop. You had Asian poets, gay poets, feminist poets, grunge poets, and on top of that you had rappers too. Shit, it was live, baby. On stage and in the audience, every type of poetry you could think of was representing everything. But where is it now? The way we talk. Where is it now? The way we talk. Where is it now? Everything. But where is it now?
promise you the world. And I know he said you're his only girl. And you believed in him, gave it everything. See, what he did was cruel, took you for a fool. I know that you've been hurt. He broke your heart, said he would treat you right. He told you lies. I know that you're in pain. You are never alone. I know that you've been hurt. He broke your heart, said he would treat you right. Then he told you lies. I know that you're in pain. You don't never have to do it alone. Girl, don't you cry. Wipe the tears from your eyes. Don't cry. You are never alone. Don't you cry. Don't cry. Wipe the tears from your eyes. Give it another try. Standing there all alone. You bought that ring, told your family that she's the one. Bro, I know you've tried to give her the best you could. The simple things in life were never enough, so she didn't wanna be a wife. I know that you've been hurt. She broke your heart, said she would treat you right. She told you lies. I know that you're in pain, but you are never alone. I know that you've been hurt. She broke your heart, said she would treat you right. She told you lies. I know that you're in pain, but you don't never have to do it alone. Don't you cry. Wipe the tears from your eyes. Wipe them tears. Don't cry. It's time you give love a try again. Don't cry. Wipe the tears from your eyes. Wipe the tears. From your eyes, don't you cry. It's time you give love a try again. Don't cry. Wipe the tears from your eyes, baby. Don't you cry. You don't never have to do it alone. Do it alone. Yeah.
my love, my only love. So when you say you love somebody, do you really know what that means? Everything you want in life, to give her what she needs. So when you say you love somebody, do you really know what that means? Would you sacrifice everything you want in life? Sacrifice everything you want in life. To give her what she needs. When you say you love somebody, do you really know what that means? Do you sacrifice everything you want in life? Sacrifice everything you want in life. To give her what she needs. So when you say you love somebody, do you really know what that means? Everything you want in life. Sacrifice everything you want in life. To give her what she needs. When you say you love somebody, do you
you to everyone who stayed tuned through the whole set and listened to the jams that I brought out. You know, just a couple little jazzy numbers. This was Hrvst Wireless Sound. I've been Noah Coinflip. This is recorded at Mead St Studios. Thank you. Good night.